Hi everyone, this is Victor from webautomation.io, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Reddit search results using Web Automation predefined web data extractor. So the first thing we want to do is that I'm on Reddit and I'm going to do a search. So I want to search for everyone talking about Pepsi. So what happens now is that I get a search results from Reddit, and I can scrape that on Web Automation. So I'm going to head over to Web Automation now. This is the home screen. All you need to do is be logged in, sign up for a free trial. I'm already signed in, and I'll go straight to the library of predefined extractors, this page over here, and I'll just search for Reddit. And I can see there is the Reddit search results extractor, and this is what I want. So I'll click into it. Kind of gives me some summary about Reddit and how to use the extractor, etc., and what kind of information you get. But I'll go ahead and just go straight into it. It takes me inside the Web Automation app. I've already got one, but I'll activate it again just to make sure and confirm that I want to go ahead with this. Once I've done this, all I need to do is head over to the variables section and explain exactly what I want from Reddit. So just put in the search, put in Pepsi, like I put in Pepsi, and then I can choose some other variables like how many posts I want. So the default is 50 and the max comment is 10. So I'll leave those defaults and I'll run the extractor. Off we go. So the extractor is running now, and you'll take a few minutes or seconds to get the data. So I'll come back in a few seconds. So it's completed now. We can see we've got some rows. Now we have the option to download the data in different file formats. I'm going to choose Excel because I have that open. Save that to my local. And let's have a look and see what the results look like. There we go. So we have the author of any of the posts, the ID, and we have a list of all the comments in the post. We have the date of exactly when that post was created. We have some more information over here, even the number of comments per post, the subreddit details, the title, and even the number of upvotes. So I've shown you very easily in just a few clicks how you can extract data from Reddit search results and export into different file formats like JSON and Excel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video.